Hello! Sharing my 1 minute of value today. Kanina, on my way to office, gamit ko yung bago kong bag, biglang nasira yung handle. 2 days ko pa lang siya nagagamit, kaya hindi ko talaga inaasahan yon. Mabuti na lang, lagi ako may dalang tote bag. Para in case may bigla akong bilhin, lagi akong nakaredy. So instead na magpanic, may instant solution na kaagad ako. And I realized, sometimes life is like that. Hindi lahat ng problema malaki. Pero pag hindi ka prepared, kahit maliit na inconvenience, nagiging isang malaking stress. Being proactive, even in simple things, protects your peace. And preparedness is not overthinking, it's wisdom. Kasi minsan may mga bagay na hindi talaga natin inaasahan. Ang tanong, are you ready?